alien DNA in the body of the world's oldest human ancestor. The 400,000-year-old bones contain evidence of an unknown species and has made scientists question everything they know about human evolution. In November 2013, scientists recovered one of the world's oldest human DNA containing evidence of an unknown species from a 400,000-year-old thigh bone. The DNA from these human ancestors that are hundreds of thousands of years old shows a complex pattern of evolution in the origin of Neanderthals and modern humans. The bone belongs to a human but contains alien DNA, quote unquote, and this remarkable finding has made scientists question everything they know about human evolution. The 400,000-year-old genetic material comes from bones that have been linked to Neanderthals in Spain, but its signature is most similar to that of a different ancient human population from Siberia known as the Denisovans. More than 6,000 human fossils representing about 28 individuals were recovered from the Cima de los Huesos site, a hard-to-get-to cave chamber that lies about 100 feet below the surface in northern Spain. The fossils seem to be unusually well preserved, thanks in part to the undisturbed cave constant cool temperature and high humidity. The researchers who did the analysis said their findings show an unexpected link between two of our extinct cousin species. This discovery could crack the mystery not only for the early humans who lived in the cave complex known as Cima de los Huesos, Spain for pit of bones, but for other mysterious populations in the Pleistocene epoch. Previous analysis of bones from the cave had led researchers to assume that the Cima de los Huesos people were closely related to Neanderthals on the basis of their skeletal features, but the mitochondrial DNA was far more similar to that of the Denisovans, an early human population that was thought to have split off from Neanderthals around 640,000 years ago. Scientists further found that 1% of the Denisovan genome came from other mysterious relatives dubbed super-archaic human by scholars, and it's estimated in turn some modern humans could hold about 15% of these super-archaic gene regions. Therefore, this study shows the Cima de los Huesos people were closely related to Neanderthals, Denisovans, and an unknown population of early humans. So who could this unknown human ancestor be? One potential contender could be Homo erectus, an extinct human ancestor who lived in Africa about 1 million years ago. The problem is we've never found any Homo erectus DNA, so the most we can do is guess at the moment. On the other hand, some theorists have put forth some really intriguing thoughts. They claim that the so-called 97% of non-coding sequences in human DNA are nothing less than the genetic blueprint of extraterrestrial forms. According to them, in the distant past, human DNA was purposefully engineered by some kind of advanced extraterrestrial race, and the unknown super-archaic ancestor of the Cima de los Huesos people could be the evidence of this artificial evolution. Extraterrestrial connection or an unknown human species, whatever it is, the findings only further complicate the evolutionary history of modern human. It's possible there may have been even more populations involved. They are mysterious and they are secrets and they exist with us for millions of years. This is from Inhale Ancient Mysteries on Collective Spark. Please leave your comments and thank you for your support. Please support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.